I was here 2 years ago and competed and had a blast and wanted to come back for more.
We're all at a disadvantage because everybody else here is so good.
Kind of heartwarming to actually know that I made it. It's the first year I actually entered for the challenge, and I got picked as the alternate. So it was, an experience.
Glad it's over. It's an intense 3 days. I mean, of course, it's a huge honor. The guys that I've competed against. So to actually, to get the win and everything is a huge honor.